Here's a solution to homework set number 10 for ECE 476. In this homework set, we're looking at using a GPS sensor and a NeoPixel. Specifically, what I want to do is use the GPS sensor to detect where I am, generate a pretend gas leak in the field. I then run around, try to find the gas leak. The GPS sensor will calculate the distance to the gas leak and output the distance on the display, as well as color based upon distance. I can start a new game on button 15. So here's what it should look like. I'll start a new game with button 15. I'm currently 50 meters away. As I get further away, the color turns to blue. As I get closer, color turns to greens, and somewhere there's reds. I'm getting close. When I get right on, it'll be pure red. Somewhere around here. There it is, found it. Once I found the gas leak, I can start a new game. So here's how that works. In Thani, I will include the GPS sensor, bitstream, have the various GPS routines. On this one, I don't have a working GPS sensor, so I'm actually using the joystick to simulate it. On button 15, I start a new game, so that's an edge interrupt. On button 15, I call this routine. It resets the position, or the current position to home position, generates the random spot for the gas leak, draws the crosshair, and kind of here's what the reset does. On reset, I just generated a new random spot. Let's see, GPS routines, we've looked at those before. The joystick, this is simulated in the GPS. I should read the GPS to find my XY position. Instead of reading the joystick, 0 position means don't do anything. And in the main routine, I will just integrate that to move around. What I really should be doing is running around a field with the GPS sensor. Once I find my position, find the distance to the gas leak, calculate the red, green, blue color. So this returns 250 for red when the distance is 0, 250 for green at 50, 250 for blue at 100, and always 250 when I'm more than 100. I can kind of see how that works if I uncomment out this line. Here's the distance, red, green, blue. So at 50, it's green. I go down, becomes red, first color red. I go up to 100, becomes blue, the third color. That's the range command, or set color. Once I get the range, or get the color, RGB, I'll set the color for the display, set the color for the NeoPixel, update the NeoPixel using bitstream. Again, bitstream actually uses the correct timing for NeoPixel, 300 nanoseconds for logic 0, 700 nanoseconds for logic 1. And that's about it. So here's what it looks like. I'll start a new game. I'm currently 130 meters away, trying to find out where is the gas leak. Number's getting down. Trying to figure out where the color starts to turn. Getting better, and towards the reds. Okay, overshot. Some around here. There it is. Gas leak. And that's homework set number 10.